الله الرحمن الرحيم. By the name of Allah, I'm your English teacher Abdurrahman Azmi. Today we will continue our lesson. Inshallah, we will answer all the questions, all exercise. طبعا احنا aim high level 2 for the 8th grade الصف الثامن إن شاء الله. تمام. Last time we read اللي هي nanotechnology. Today we will answer it and exercise number 2, sorry. Read the text. Choose the best answers. T.J. Waston said the market of computers was tiny. Was tiny. B. IBM made 5 computers a year. IBM computers were the best in the world. I think اللي هي A. First one is A. 2. Nanotechnology makes tiny marbles. Marbles زي ما حكينا المرة الماضية اللي هي جتنا اللي هو الجل. هاي الكرات الصغيرة الزرق. B. The buildings of the future. C. Machines that people can't see. اللي هي أكيد C. إذا 2 with C. Fantastic vibe اللي هو shows a doctor helping tiny patients was a true story. أكيد لا. Shows what might happen in the future. أكيد with C. 3 with C. 4. Eric Drexler invented nanobots. No, writes about science. Makes copies of science books. الأكيد هي راح تكون with B. Write about science. يكتب عن العلوم. In the novel Prey. novel زي ما اتفقنا اللي هي الرواية. People eat nanobots. Nanobots destroy the planet. Nanobots make a new planet in 3 hours. أكيد راح تكون with B. nanobots destroy the planet. هي راح تدمر الكوكب. طبعا هذا according to the novel. يعني. طيب. Exercise number 3. Read the text again. Which paragraphs contain the information to complete the sentence? Complete them in your own words. Okay. يعني بدنا نشوف بداية المكتوب لأي باراجراف بيعود. احنا عندنا باراجراف 1 2 و 3 اللي هي باراجراف 3 اللي هي كانت the dream وباراجراف 4 اللي هي كانت the nightmare كابوس. هي طيب nanobots could make the world much better place because scientists might be able to. يعني أكيد هي طبعا question number 3 أكيد هي اللي هي باراجراف هي أكيد number 3 sorry اللي هي the dream. هنا نكملها اللي هي nanobots could make the world a much better place because scientists might be able to inject them اللي هم nanobots into body of patients, into sick people and cure them or to cure them. One. Nanobots could make the world a much worse place because they might. أكيد here refers to paragraph 4. nanobots could make the world a much worse place because they might يعني reproduce themselves and destroy everything. Size number 4. 4. طبعا are the sentence true or false. Correct the false sentence. يعني true or false. بدنا نصحح الخاطئة. TJ Watson was correct about the future of the PCs. أكيد he was إيش wrong. وكان مخطئ. يعني اللي هو لما حكى there was only market for 5 computers. يعني هو راح يكون market for was true. Most scientists think that nanotechnology will be important in the future. أكيد هي راح تكون It is easy to predict how nanotechnology will affect our lives. لا بالعكس هي راح تكون كويس ولا يعني we don't know if nanotechnology will be wonderful dream or terrifying nightmare. Or in we don't know if nanotechnology will be a wonderful dream or terrifying nightmare. يعني راح تكون حلم جميل ولا راح تكون or in 1966 an inventor developed an amazing new way to cure disease. No اللي هي for كانت أكيد false. In 1966 they made a film. يعني هو كان فيلم. أكيد هي false. In هو الساينس فيكشن اللي هو خيال علمي about way to cure people. 5. In the future, scientists might be able to cure disease by injecting nanobots into patients. I think it's 2. 1. Eric Drexler is a scientist. Yes. 2. 7. Most scientists are worried that nanobots could destroy the world in about 3 hours. كلهم يعني. False. ونكتب some of you of them very are worried. Understanding ideas راح أقرأهم إن شاء الله and we will discuss it in our class إن شاء الله. Understanding ideas, answer the questions, look at the text and use your own words and ideas. First one, do you think science fiction books and films really show us what the future will be like؟ يعني باعتقادك أفلام الخيال العلمي طبعا أو الكتب يعني هي بتعطينا نبذة عن المستقبل. The second one, do you think the positive or and negative predictions about nanobots will really happen? Why? Why not? 3. How do you think technology will make our lives different in the future? Get easier and more comfortable. The second one اللي هي كانت positive and negative يعني إيجابي أو سلبي بشكل عام. تمام. Vocabulary. What's the big idea؟ تمام. احنا على فكرة already هذول definitions احنا already جاوبناهم في التكست ونرجع نجاوبهم هون. First one. تمام. To make a copy of something. To make a copy of something. هي use أكيد. To small colored glass اللي هي marble أكيد. Ball that children play games with اللي هي marble. The place and conditions that people live and work in اللي هي environment أكيد. or to make an illness end cure أكيد اللي هو علاج يعني. 5 a bad dream اللي هي أكيد nightmare. Next one, something that you can't see اللي هو invisible غير مرئي. 7 puts a drug or medicine into someone's body اللي هي inject. How big or small something is size. Fine. Very small living thing that can enter your body and cause disease اللي هو فيروس أكيد. And vehicle that can travel underwater اللي هي أكيد shrinks. Yes, I think shrinks. لا يعني makes something become smaller. Shrink. السبمارين أكيد يعني. اللي هي submarine. awesome. 12 whole or complete اللي هي entire. Parts of the body such as the heart or brain that do a particular job اللي هي أكيد organs. 14 to use something such as energy, materials or food اللي هي consume. Last one. Statements about what you think will happen in the future أكيد اللي هو prediction. Do you know these words? Eventually, everyday, futurist, head, material, nanotechnology, patient, science, fiction. كلهم مروا معانا الصفحتين الماضيات. Move to the next page. Vocabulary. What's the big idea? Okay. تمام. Activate. Complete the sentence with the correct forms of the words from the books. Consume, cure, entire, environment, injects or inject, invisible, marble, nightmare, organ, prediction, produce, shrink, size, submarine, virus. Okay. The first one. Sailors in a sailors يعني a submarine. كاتك. Marine. Live and work in a very small space under the sea for long periods of time. It's a very difficult فراغ to be in اللي هي environment. هي فيها صعب. I have had this فراغ for a week now. اللي هو I feel really tired and ill. اللي هو virus already يعني. Doctors is going to inject. in my arm with a different medicine today. Full stop. I hope it فرغ me and that I can go back to work اللي هي cure me. Okay. You read that in the newspaper about what scientists will do in the future. يعني prediction. Okay. It said they will فراغ new hearts and brains in laboratories اللي هي المختبرات, and then give these new فراغ to people that are ill. It's incredible, لا يصدق, اللي هو will reproduce, راح ينتجوا. الثانية والثالثة اللي هي new organs. I had this terrible فراغ last night. terrible nightmare أكيد واضحة هاي. Last night I thought that I was in an enormous washing machine and that I was going to فراغ اللي هي shrink. Okay. When the washing machine stopped, I was the size of a small mouse. السلام عليكم. Mouse. I was really glad to wake up. يعني والله منيح قصيت يعني. منيح ما كملت. They were really hungry after the match. They consumed. They consumed the فراغ meal in 5 minutes. The entire meal. Most of my فراغ have lines of color اللي هي الماربل أو marbles. have lines of color through the middle of them. However, I've got some that you can hardly see because they are just made of glass. They are almost فراغ and I often win games with them. اللي هم they are almost invisible. Move to tend